Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Unipak squid. Start by thawing your Unipak squid completely if it's frozen. Next, carefully remove the head, ink sac, and all internal organs from the body cavity. Don't forget to peel off that thin, purplish membrane from the outside of the squid's body. Finally, give your squid a good rinse under cold, running water to ensure it's perfectly clean and ready for cooking. This preparation is key for tender, delicious results. Once cleaned, you can cut the squid bodies into rings, about 1/2 inch thick, or leave them whole for stuffing. For a more tender texture, lightly score the inside of the squid body in a crosshatch pattern. Now it's time to marinate. Let your squid soak for at least 30 minutes in a simple mixture of olive oil, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, and your favorite herbs. This step infuses flavor and helps tenderize the meat. Squid cooks incredibly fast, so quick methods are best. For pan frying, heat a skillet over high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Cook the squid for just 2 to 3 minutes, tossing frequently until opaque. If grilling, place the squid directly over medium-high heat for only 1 to 2 minutes per side. The key is to cook it quickly and intensely to avoid that common pitfall of rubbery texture. Your perfectly cooked squid is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor its tender texture and fresh flavors. A simple garnish of fresh parsley or cilantro adds a lovely touch, and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens every bite. Whether you enjoy it as a delightful appetizer or a light main course alongside some fluffy rice or a crisp salad, it's a truly delicious dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.